Innovation at Work is an online education resource that enables anyone to bring design thinking to their workplace. In this 3-part workshop series, Stanford d.school experts will guide you and your team through proven exercises and techniques that will spark new ideas, tackle your projects creatively, and solve real business challenges. It doesn't matter which industry you work in or what your role is. If you're interested in a culture of innovation, this is a tool for you. Getting started is easy, even if you have zero experience in design thinking. To get started, 1. Enroll yourself online. Only you need to register and purchase access for your group. 2. Invite a group of 4 to 18 colleagues to participate. 3. Pick a date and make sure everyone is available for 2 to 3 hours. 4. Find an open meeting space for the workshop so people can get out of their chairs and do real work together. 5. Log into your account ahead of time to review materials, and you're ready to go. On the day of the workshop, you play the role of the catalyst. 1. Bring your computer with internet connection and log into your account to access the videos. 2. Set up a projector to play the workshop videos for your group. As the catalyst, you facilitate, press play, hand out the materials, and make sure everyone participates. The videos will guide you all through the workshop activities, so there's no pressure. 3. Encourage positive energy and an open mind so that your group really gets motivated to collaborate, innovate, and problem solve. These workshops are all about embedding design thinking principles to your everyday work. Get ready to come with questions and leave inspired.